Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the captivating world of wildlife. Today, we are going to unlock the mysteries of one of nature's most fascinating creatures, chameleons. I'm your host, Shorts Fact Entertainment, and in this video, we'll explore the unique characteristics and behaviors of these remarkable reptiles. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting wildlife adventures. Get ready to learn all about the fascinating world of chameleons. Let's get started. Chameleons can move their eyes in two different directions at the same time. Chameleons have the unique ability to move their eyes independently, meaning they can look in two different directions at the same time. This allows them to have a 360-degree view of their surroundings and spot potential predators or prey. The eyes of chameleons are large and bulging, which provides them with excellent vision. Additionally, their eyes can swivel around independently of each other due to a special ball and socket joint in their eye sockets. This joint allows the chameleon's eyes to move freely and independently, giving them a much wider field of vision than other animals. This ability to look in different directions also helps chameleons when hunting. They can watch two potential prey items at once, and when one becomes more vulnerable or accessible, they can focus on that one with both eyes to accurately strike their long, sticky tongue toward the prey. Chameleons are truly fascinating creatures, and their unique ability to move their eyes independently is just one of the many interesting facts about them. Most chameleons can change color to camouflage themselves. One of the most unique and well-known features of chameleons is their ability to change color. But did you know that they don't change color to match their surroundings? Instead, they change color in response to their emotions and environmental factors such as temperature and light. Chameleons have special pigment cells in their skin called chromatophores, which contain different pigments that can be expanded or contracted to change the color of the chameleon. By controlling the size and distribution of these pigments, chameleons can produce a range of colors from bright yellows and greens to deep blues and browns. Changing color is an important adaptation for chameleons as it allows them to blend into their environment and avoid detection by predators or prey. For example, a chameleon living in a green tree may change its color to blend in with the leaves, while a chameleon on the sandy ground may change its color to match the color of the sand. Interestingly, not all chameleons can change color to the same extent. While some species, such as the panther chameleon, can produce a wide range of colors, others, such as Jackson's chameleon, have limited color-changing ability. Additionally, while most chameleons can change color, not all use this ability for camouflage. Some species, such as the veiled chameleon, use color change as a form of communication, displaying bright colors to intimidate rivals or attract mates. Overall, the ability to change color is just one of the many fascinating traits of chameleons. These creatures continue to amaze scientists and casual observers alike with their unique characteristics and behaviors. Chameleons use their long tongues to catch prey. Chameleons are known for their unique physical features, but their long tongues are perhaps one of their most fascinating. Their tongues are often longer than their body, and they can shoot out quickly to catch prey, such as insects, spiders, and small vertebrates. Chameleons can extend their tongues at a speed of up to 16 feet per second, making them some of the fastest predators in the animal kingdom. How do they do it? Chameleons have a unique muscle system in their tongues that allows them to retract their tongues with incredible speed and precision. When they spot their prey, they focus their eyes on the target and contract a special set of muscles in their tongue, which shoots out like a suction cup to grab onto the insect. The tongue then quickly retracts back into the mouth, and the chameleon can enjoy its meal. Interestingly, the size and shape of a chameleon's tongue varies depending on the species. Some have long and slender tongues, while others have short and broad tongues. This difference in tongue shape can be linked to their diet and hunting strategies. For example, chameleons that live in trees tend to have longer tongues to reach insects that are further away, while ground-dwelling chameleons have shorter tongues to catch prey that is closer to the ground. In summary, chameleons use their long tongues as an incredibly efficient hunting tool to catch their prey. The unique muscle system in their tongue allows for precise and lightning-fast movements, making them some of the most skilled predators in the animal kingdom. Chameleons range in size from around 2 inches to 2 feet long. The smallest chameleon in the world is the pygmy leaf chameleon, which can grow up to only 2 inches long, while the largest is the Parsons chameleon, which can grow up to 2 feet long. The size of a chameleon largely depends on the species, with some being bigger than others. The panther chameleon, for example, is typically around 11 to 19 inches long. It's amazing to see the diversity in size of chameleons, and it adds to the intrigue of these fascinating creatures. There are over 160 different species of chameleon. Chameleons are fascinating creatures that come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. There are over 160 different species of chameleon, each with its unique characteristics and habitats. Some of the most well-known species include the panther chameleon, veiled chameleon, and Jackson's chameleon. However, there are also many lesser-known species, such as the pygmy chameleon, flapneck chameleon, and Cameroon to horn chameleon. Each chameleon species has unique traits and adaptations that allow it to thrive in its environment. For example, Jackson's chameleon has 3 horns on its head, which it uses to intimidate predators. Meanwhile, the pygmy chameleon is the smallest species of chameleon, measuring only around 2 inches long. Whether you are a seasoned chameleon enthusiast or just learning about these fascinating creatures, there is always more to discover about these amazing animals. Chameleons are found in warm climates all over the world, including Africa, Asia, and Madagascar, and in Greece on the island of Samos. Chameleons are truly cosmopolitan creatures, thriving in many different environments all over the globe. They are primarily found in warm, tropical regions where there is plenty of sunshine and a diverse range of plant and insect life to sustain them. One of the most iconic habitats for chameleons is the forests of Madagascar, a remote island nation off the coast of Africa that is home to some of the most unique and fascinating wildlife in the world. Madagascar alone is home to over half of all chameleon species, many of which are endemic and found nowhere else on Earth. The Mediterranean chameleon chameleon is a unique animal of great research interest. It is considered a symbolic species in most parts of Europe where it is found. It is a protected species according to Greek and European legislation, as well as international conventions. Samos Island hosted the last population of the Mediterranean chameleon in Greece. Chameleons greatly contribute to the balance of the local island ecosystem of Samos due to their role in regulating insect populations. It is important to realize that the island ecosystems of the Aegean Sea have been isolated for many centuries, which makes their biodiversity particularly vulnerable to threats and human pressure. For this reason, a large fire or the inappropriate use of pesticides can be fatal for the remaining Mediterranean chameleon population in Greece. Female chameleons lay anywhere from 2 to 30 eggs at a time. The number of eggs that a female chameleon lays varies depending on the species. Some chameleons, such as Jackson's chameleon, typically lay between 10 and 30 eggs in a single clutch, while others, like the pygmy chameleon, may only lay 2 or 3 at a time. Female chameleons generally lay their eggs in a hole in the ground or in a burrow, where they are protected from predators and the elements. The incubation period for chameleon eggs can range from just a few months to up to a year, depending on the species and the conditions in which they are kept. Once the eggs hatch, the baby chameleons are fully independent and can take care of themselves from the start. Chameleons are considered to be good luck. Believe it or not, chameleons hold a special place in the hearts of some cultures. In Madagascar, for example, it is believed that if a chameleon climbs up your leg, it means that you will soon come into some money. Additionally, in some African cultures, chameleons are seen as symbols of change and adaptability, which are highly valued traits. Chameleons have also played important roles in various spiritual and religious practices. For instance, in ancient Egyptian mythology, the chameleon was associated with the sun god Ra and was seen as a symbol of rebirth and resurrection. Similarly, in Hinduism, chameleons were considered to be powerful creatures that could ward off evil spirits. In some parts of the world, chameleons are even kept as pets and are believed to bring good luck and prosperity to their owners. However, it's important to note that keeping chameleons as pets is not always easy or ethical. Chameleons require specialized care and environments to thrive, and some species are also threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and other factors. Overall, while chameleons may be small and unassuming creatures, they have played important roles in the lives and beliefs of many different cultures throughout history. Whether you believe in their powers of good luck or not, there's no denying the fascinating nature of these unique reptiles. Conclusion. And there you have it, the mysteries of chameleons unlocked. These incredible creatures continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of the natural world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our community of wildlife lovers. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and share it with your friends who are as fascinated by chameleons as we are. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the beauty of our planet's diverse creatures. Stay wild.